There's a place I have found in the shade on the
Dullstroom is one of 3 premier fly fishing areas in South Africa, together with Barkley East in the Eastern Cape and Underberg in Kwa Zulu Natal, while boasting the highest railway station in South Africa. Dullstroom, also known as Emnothweni, lies on the Highveld plateau, and for this reason its climate is very different from the surrounding area. The town has much to offer travellers and tourists alike, with many interesting restaurants, shops and dining opportunities.
I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. Na 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 na.
Dullstroom is considered as the Mecca for fly fishing in South Africa, and numerous ardent fishermen take to the dams and rivers in the area to test their skills and hopefully bag that trophy they all dream about. River options, although more exciting with the strong water flows, are limited, and the majority of opportunities in this area are in the numerous trout dams. There can be little doubt that there is a special art and skill that needs to be mastered before becoming proficient at fly fishing. It is said that to become proficient at the tying of flies, you need to tie at least 300 flies before you master the art. And then there is the study of the surrounding environment, needed to determine which colors you should opt for and whether you should be creating, floating or sinking flies. Fly fishing, although exciting, requires a great deal of commitment and dedication before you can master that art. It is a hobby most successful fly fishermen pursue for most of their lives. As is the case for all fishing, it requires a great deal of patience, but is very relaxing and is good for the soul.
Someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. Na 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 I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you
Occupied in the mid-19th century by the Southern Ndebele people under King Mabhoko, who lived in the Mapoch caves, named after the king, as a hideout during a conflict with troops of the then South African republic. Historical attractions near the town include the nearby Fort Mapoch and a statue of the king's son, Ndebele. Say, with a wonderful service and great food, we had no hesitation whatsoever in making Aberdeen House in Newcastle our stopover for the last night of our ride. It remains in the top 5 B&Bs we have stayed at during our rides and adventure travels.